Hello guys and welcome to a trade recap. I will be recapping my trade from the day, my two trades actually, also my daily bias, my thought process and how I caught this absolutely beautiful trade. So let's just get right into it. I will start off with my daily bias. Coming into the day, the first thing I looked at was the daily, what we can see on the daily time frame. We are having this daily fair value gap, which we previously tapped and rejected out of it, and now previous day candle reswapped this low inside of the fair value gap and closed back within this candle closure. So really beautiful rejection. Also looking at the 4 hour, we can see we inverse this and we're heading to this, 1 second, we're heading to this low resistance liquidity. Looking at the 1 hour, nice inversion as well, trading higher into this low resistance, as well as looking at daily on Nasdaq. We sweep out this low, close back within, start getting this bullish momentum again. Right here you can see leading up to this 4 hour, which was also my main objective for the day today. So overall higher time frame I was bullish. Then let's just get right into it. So what I did, I marked out daily open to see how we're looking like. We can see right here we sweep out this London low. We sweep out London low, close back within, tap this uh, hourly gap as well. So really beautiful. That sends us higher, creating this change in the state of delivery on the hourly before coming into New York, as well as looking at ES daily open, London. And right here what we can see is we reacted really well right here to this rejection block that swapped out this previous hourly and tapped into the hourly fair value gap. So really good. We're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, also getting this change in the state again. Really nice. And then coming into the open, I wanted to see this low protected, so I will just down protected low. So I did not want to short into this low if we are bullish, which in my eyes we should be. I will just do the same right here. So this low should stay protected low. It should be protected because it swapped out liquidity and tapped into a bullish PD array, so there's no reason if we're bullish to get back into it. Then I was looking at this hourly fair value gap right here, and on ES I was just kind of looking at this imbalance right here on the 30-minute, and I was looking at this as my draw, as well as this relative equal highs above leading into this 30-minute fair value gap. Also, one thing I did on NQ is on the 15-minute I took out my Fibonacci and marked out this standard deviation. Also, yeah, I marked it out, this 4 hours, so nice. Then also using equilibrium, I saw that equilibrium, so premium and discount, so discount of the range aligns with the fair value gap really well. And then looking into the 1 minute, what we can see pre-market doing, we have this accumulation leading up to market open, where we drew the swing, and also really nice soup on this wick right here. You guys can see this big and obvious wick. I wanted it to get taken out, so either we would 1 second, so either I would see open manipulate into the 4 hour and then trade into this gap and wick, or the opposite, what we also got. So open, low, high, close, what I got and what I executed on. So one trade you could have taken was this long on Nasdaq. It was a 30-second. I sadly don't have 30-second time frame, sadly, so couldn't catch this on NQ. I was thinking of entering just this based off the pure context, like so obvious, but I didn't because I saw that we also have a pretty textbook setup on ES, but we weren't delivering out of the fair value gap as nice as we got this that candle through it. But one thing I paid a lot of attention to was soup on this low. 1 second, soup on this low, and the way we never closed below this 1 minute gap, so we just filled it and bam, straight up pump. So right here we inverse this leg beautifully. 1 second, iFVG. So we got this inversion. This is your usual break-even point, but because of conviction I actually held until Nasdaq got up here, so that's where I went break-even, and I also took some partials right here. So yeah, and also some partials up here because we had relative equal highs and I saw price rejecting, and with the way we've been delivering for the past few days I didn't want to get involved into any other bad deliveries. So anyways, one thing I could have done better right here is by managing my position like this. In my opinion, it would have been better risk, and you need to understand, when we get such an obvious move and inversion with this displacement, we should not stall to get into this internal high, because after this displacement candle we should not come down and fill this candle again before going back higher. So this was the first trade of the day for sure, trade of the week, trade of the month. So textbook. I love this on Nasdaq, beautiful. Sadly I don't have the 30 second to capitalize off of it, but yeah, beautiful trade. If you took that, congrats bro, keep it up. Then also I actually shorted right here, which was kind of against my daily narrative, but we already, so this was my stop, I was targeting a 1-to-1 and like this. So actually the reason for this short is right here. You can see the standard, this 15-minute standard deviation from earlier, where we created this manipulation lag and protected low. It's showing us rejection out of this 4-hour gap. So I knew that we're likely to get some type of reversal or maybe retracement, which is what I wanted to catch right here, retracement back into equilibrium. We tap into this standard deviation zone really beautifully. Also you can see we sweep out this high and get this massive dead candle through this fair value gap. So iFVG right here, we got this inversion, and this was my break even point. So yes, really fast break even, but you need to understand, this is what is giving my trade this conviction, this 5 minute, because we open up a 5 minute gap, so that gives price support to sending us back higher, as you can see. And I knew that after getting this dead candle from such zone, we can get really good delivery back down into equilibrium at least, which we didn't get. I got break even on this trade pretty fast, like it was a quick move into the 5 and then back up, so I was probably in the trade for like 15 seconds. Then we went back higher. I actually hopped off already. Otherwise I really like this short right here. Yeah, right here I believe inversed. Wait 1 second, so let me just delete this. So yeah, okay, this not the best entry. Wait, maybe 2 or 3 minutes gave us something better. Okay, at 2 minutes, beautiful short right here as well. So basically same delivery from before. The only thing that is different right here is that we sweep out this high, so another resweep. Also another thing is ES swapped out this relative equal highs completely right here, and we're still delivering out of this hourly. And if you look even cleaner into the 30 minutes, so beautiful delivery as well, sweeping out, tapping PD array, absolutely beautiful trade. If you caught this, really good, targeting equilibrium, you could have gotten 2RR, so really solid. Really good price action today. I hope you guys managed to capitalize off of it, because we haven't been getting really good moves lately. but we will see. We just gotta stay locked in, manage our risk, and we'll get it. I hope you guys learned something throughout this video. I hope I explained my thought process well. If you have any other questions, just let me know down below. I will make sure to answer everything, and see you guys later. Ciao.